Fields you need for Jira Service Management helps IT teams to create more powerful service management forms by providing a new series of form fields. It provides 5 different field types that serves the 5 different use cases, and I will go over them one by one on a form. The first use case is making your users validate their inputs via your external APIs before submitting. The serial number field here is an API validated field, and it sends your input to your external API once you click the validate button. If the input is valid, then the error disappears and you can submit your form. The second use case is populating your select field options from your external APIs so that you can keep your fields synchronized with your external data sources. The third field type is creating uh, conditionally visible or required fields. Those fields are only required or visible to certain groups or roles. As it is obvious from the name, they are just conditionally visible or required. There is no fancy stuff here, so I will continue. The fourth field type is a regular expression validated field, and this field ensures that only inputs that match a certain pattern can be submitted. For example, sublink field here is configured to accept inputs which are URLs from demo.com. If I enter something invalid here, a custom error message is displayed to the user. If I enter something valid, then the user can submit the form as the error disappears. The final use case is creating cascading select lists, just like in Jira Cloud. However, uh, you can populate both child and parent fields here from your external APIs, which is different than the cascading select list in Jira. You can also enter your options manually, and the child fields options will be determined according to the input for the parent field. After you submit the form, the fields corresponding to those fields will be created automatically. However, you need to add them to manually your screens. This was all from me. Thanks for listening.